Madamina, il catalogo è questo, delle belle che amo il padron mio, un catalogo quelli è che ho fatti.
Mozart based his comic opera Don Giovanni on a Spanish teaching fable about the dissolute Don Giovanni, or Don Juan, who has made thousands and thousands of conquests all over Europe and Turkey. Don Giovanni's latest attempt has been on the virtue of Donna Anna, the daughter of the Commendatore. But when the Commendatore interrupted Don Giovanni at his activities, Don Giovanni ran him through with his sword and left him dying. Donna Anna didn't know who her assailant was, and so she calls upon her friend Don Ottavio to help find out who it was who murdered the Commendatore. In the meantime, Donna Elvira, who's another of Don Giovanni's past conquests, has come to track the Don down and force him into marrying her. But Don Giovanni has other fish to fry, and on this particular day, young Zerlina, a girl on his estate, is getting married, and Don Giovanni decides that it's time to exercise the old droit de seigneur and seduce Zerlina under the nose of her fiancé Mazzetto. Evidence quickly builds up that it was Don Giovanni himself who was the one who'd killed the Commendatore, and a wonderful detective plot unfolds as Donna Anna, Donna Elvira and Don Ottavio track Don Giovanni back to the party he's throwing and denounce him as a murderer. And Don Giovanni isn't even slightly perturbed by this, and with the assistance of his trusty servant Leporello, he goes off on his attempts to further seduction, but encounters in a graveyard the statue of the Commendatore himself. Don Giovanni decides that he's going to tempt the Commendatore and challenge this statue by issuing an insolent invitation to dinner. And much to his horror and much to Leporello's fear, the statue nods his head and agrees to come to dinner. Don Giovanni prepares an excellent meal and sits down and is enjoying it to table music played, actually quotations from earlier Mozart operas and operas by Mozart's rivals. But the music's interrupted by a terrible thumping as the stone statue comes pounding his way up the stairs, and it's the Commendatore who comes into the room and confronts Don Giovanni with his evil ways, offers him the chance of salvation, and when the Don scornfully turns this down, the Commendatore leaves him to his fate, and all the devils of hell, or as many as the W&O chorus can provide, come out of the woodwork and drag him screaming down to Hades. In the meantime, the rest of the characters assemble and agree that this is how the dissolute are punished.